we're going to talk about the top 5 mistakes that people make with credit repair. Why is this important? Everybody wants to do it themselves, but I think you should do it with help and guidance. So let's start with number 1. So one of the first mistakes that people make is they let stuff go bad in the first place. It's much easier to prevent things from going bad than to have to fix them afterwards. So for example, letting your credit go 30 days late. Once you're 30 days late, it can substantially reduce your credit scores. What that means is to prevent that, even if you have to pay it 29 days late, just don't let it be 30 days late. So anything that you could prevent from happening, to prevent from going to collections, to prevent from going to judgment, you absolutely want to do that. Number 2, big mistake is just ignoring your mail and notices. When a collection company takes over a debt, they have to mail to you a letter that says you have 30 days to dispute the validity of this debt. You just threw the notice aside because you didn't want to see a collection. Do you know what you just did? You basically said, yeah, the debt's valid. Collect it from me. Call me. Throw it on my credit report. Big mistake. So definitely don't ignore your mail. You want to know how to take action. Number 3, don't admit guilt. So for instance, that same collection company who says to you, hey, you have a debt with me. I need you to pay me. Your answer is, who are you? I didn't agree to pay you. I don't even know that I owe you. I don't even know who you are. You have to make sure that you're demanding that this company provide proof to you that this debt is valid. Don't automatically say, oh, well, I didn't pay that bill. I guess it's mine. Don't guess. Make them prove that that debt is authentically yours. So stop being guilty. Demand proof. That's what our legal system enables us to do. So, number 4. This is one thing that cracks me up. People say to themselves, well, I paid this debt, so it should come off my credit report. It would be so nice if it worked that way, but guess what? It doesn't. Just because you paid something does not mean automatically it comes off your credit report. The fact that you took so long to pay them is authentically part of your credit history. So do not think because you paid something off, it's going to automatically fall off. Does not work. Which leads me to point number 5. People waiting for stuff to just fall off their credit report. Did you know that bad information stays on for 7 years? So you mean to tell me you're going to wait 7 years for this information just to fall off? I don't know about you, but I don't have 7 years to wait for my credit report to look better. The bottom line is you want to start repairing your credit as soon as possible, and you want to repair it with someone reputable, preferably.